Hello
Hi
friends,
guys and welcome back to our channel.
we are crazy.
So today,
It is another Friday and we are going to film amazing, game video.
yes,
And that would be
game or challenge, whatever you would
video.
like to call it.
Yeah, and it would be I
The
forgot
5
the name,
second,
sorry,
5 second
5
challenge.
second.
Basically, we have some sentences or rather some questions,
Yeah.
like 10 of them listed down, and what we are supposed to do is each of us will get 5 seconds per question,
And
we
that
have
will be counted.
timed. Yeah, we will be timing it in the
our
timer.
phone.
Yeah, so basically it's like he'll ask me a question. For example, name 3 planets. So I have to answer it within 5 seconds.
That would be Earth 1, Earth 2 and Earth 3.
No, you can't answer like that. And if you answer like that, that question will be
Zero.
disqualified. You
Zero
get
marks.
anda, you get 0 for it. Yeah, so I'm sure that as and when how we'll play the game, you all will understand. So without further ado, let's begin.
Start. Name 3 letters or names beginning with H.
One sec. Sorry. What?
What is it? No, gone.
Trial round.
No.
Name 3. You can't say or and all that, okay? Name 3 things or name 3. What did you say?
First question. Name 3 letters or names. Letter or name, whatever
Letter
you.
is H only. H is the letter.
Okay.
Word you mean?
Word.
See? That's
See?
why I got
So
confused.
that is the reason why I was saying
God.
name.
Name 3 names starting with H.
Name or whatever it is starting with H.
H.
Okay?
Okay.
Time starts now.
Ritik, horse and hash.
1 point to you.
Thanks.
Enjoy. तुम भी क्या यार?
Okay. Name 3 jewelry stores.
Jewelry as in?
Jewelry stores.
Oh, anywhere in the world.
Of course,
should-
anywhere, no?
You should
If I
just
said
clear
name
out.
any 3 jewelry
No,
stores,
first
you should
you
have
should-
named it, huh?
You should have cleared it out first.
Wait. No, name 3
okay,
jewelry
okay.
stores. What
Okay.
is this? Rubbish, huh? Cheater.
What cheater in that? Karo hai.
Okay. Name 3 jewelry stores anywhere in the world.
Damas, Jasani, Om Jewelers.
Okay. Now next time, no, from second sentence
Okay.
onwards, no one will get a second chance.
So you should say that is over now.
And by the way, Mr. Shrek is back. If you all had seen him in our Whisper Challenge.
Question
Say
1.
hi. Shut up, yeah.
This is a little bit tricky.
Okay.
Name 3 body parts
Hmm.
that are always covered over.
Eyes with specs, boobs and genitals.
Over.
I covered all 3.
But eyes are not always covered. How
They
come?
could be.
They could be. That is wrong.
Even any body parts, we can be naked also, na?
You
we
can
go to
make
have
it
bath, we
365 days.
Yeah.
Anywhere
Dude,
you go out.
always covered. It's not always covered, na?
Please let it be.
No,
That
no,
could be
no.
very easy.
No.
Armpit, your boobs, and your
But
eyes.
if I wear sleeveless, then my armpits are open.
No, still it is
No,
covered only.
it's not. If I'm raising my hands up, then what
You are
rubbish.
walking like this or what?
No, but you said always
Excuse me.
covered, na?
Let it be. man.
Shia, what is this, yeah?
Let it be. You get a boiling anda for this.
What rubbish questions.
Rubbish. Ye rubbish.
Okay, name 3 famous female singers, Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, anything.
I don't know. Shivani, Shivangi, Phalangi.
What?
Actually, I didn't get.
Seriously?
It was
There is
Sunidhi
Neha Kakkar,
Chauhan.
there is Shreya Ghoshal.
Yeah, it didn't come in my mind.
Okay, 0. 0 points. Anda.
Name 3 things that you can do or eat or like you can make out of it of a potato. And your time starts now.
Potato sabji, potato soup, and French fries.
Okay.
You're asking a question to a potato lover.
But that was like potato sabji. Wow.
Yeah, so you make a sabzi out of it.
Kuch bhi. No.
So what should I say now? Dum aloo. Name 3 red colored fruits.
Fruit. Apple, cherry, and watermelon, if it is considered from inside.
Yeah.
Okay. We are going neck to neck right now.
Yes, it's a
Okay.
tie situation.
Q4. Name 3 books. Name 3 books that has become a picture, a film.
A movie.
Yeah, a movie.
Okay.
Time starts now.
Half girlfriend, 2 States,
Okay.
and 3 Idiots. 5 Point Someone, that was the name of the book.
I don't know
Yeah,
that
5 Point Someone. Okay. So question number
one.
4
Yeah.
from my side. Name 3 types of doctors.
MBBS, orthopedic, and I don't know the eye doctor. What is it called?
Gynac, you could have
Gynac.
said. Oh god. Ah, I feel sad. Dentist.
Dentist.
So many.
Name 3 things that you cannot do alone.
Have sex. Uh,
Time's
oh.
up. She's so much filled up with that. Oh my god, you cannot do this alone, please, man. Some people are there inside the world who are using pillows, man.
Oh god.
But dude, so many
What do
things.
you not do?
Hiking anywhere.
Why you can go hiking alone? I am self-content. I can do everything alone.
Actually, this is a difficult
Yeah,
question.
it was. What can you not do? See, there it's all about perspective. Either you can do everything alone, or you need someone with you all the time.
No, not necessarily.
It is on perspective.
Let's think over it.
If you guys know the
Please
answer
comment,
for
yeah,
this, please let us know
seriously.
in the comment section below. The
Dude,
very
we are
tricky
confused
one.
right now.
Yeah, it was a very tricky one.
Okay, your turn now.
Hmm.
But I like your answer.
Thanks.
Whatever it was. जितना भी था अच्छा था.
Okay, question number 5.
5, yeah.
Name 3 things that
Things.
are
Huh.
yellow in color.
Banana, mangoes. Mangoes is considered, right?
Yeah.
Banana, mangoes, and Porsche.
What?
Porsche.
Okay.
Car.
Po-
Porsche.
Porsche car, seriously. So typical, yaar.
My knife, it is yellow in color. Come on, yaar. You said
Okay.
just only 3 things.
Never mind.
Gold.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, one more googly coming from my side. Name 3 dinosaurs.
Triceratops. T-Rex.
Pa-pa.
Oh no.
Actually, I don't know. I had just written T-Rex, Spinosaurus, and Brontosaurus.
This also you must have googled.
Yeah, this I googled because
At
I.
least I knew Triceratops.
Okay, again a boiling answer. You're done.
Okay. 6th question from my end.
Yeah.
Name 3 words that
Words.
describe me.
Cute, and cute.
No,
but
you can't.
loving and beautiful.
Okay. Right
Still,
on
see, I
time.
said 6.
That was such an easy point for him.
Oh,
But it's
no,
okay, I'll
no,
let
no.
him win.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
in the Whisper Challenge I won, so I'm letting him.
Oh, lo, lo, lo. So after 6 questions, she's at 3 and I'm at 4.
This was an easy one. See, I literally gave it to him.
I can give my heart to you.
Oh.
Okay. This is an easy one for you, I guess, because you're coming from a cooking that.
Okay.
Name 3 type of pasta.
Fusilli, penne, and spaghetti.
I had written farfalle.
Farfalle.
Whatever it is, I called it butterfly.
Even if it's not farfalle pronounced as that, I don't know, but I'm sorry.
Yeah. Nice.
Next is, he's gonna love this. Name 3 Marvel characters.
Iron Man, Superman. No. Iron Man, then I forget. No, Captain
What?
America, Thor.
Heartbreak.
I actually missed Justice League and Marvel together.
Oh God, how could you do that? We both love Marvel.
I actually mixed up 2 things. Yeah, sorry.
It's like if I would have got the cooking answer wrong. You would be, I judged you hard.
No,
It's
worries.
okay, happens.
This
Actually,
one-
there's this 5-second thing now that's cruiser.
Yeah.
That one you have to answer.
Yeah, so this is, I guess, a bit
Tricky.
naughtier and naughty.
Just like
Don't judge, please. Name 3 porn sites.
Pornhub,
Okay.
Triple X,
Okay.
and Tube8.
Oh, not bad. Not bad.
Tube8 I know because, should I tell?
What?
My
No,
brother,
it was Ajab.
my brother and I used to share the same laptop when I was not married and we were together. So
No
Once-
offense, anybody.
Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. Don't kill me for this. But once I don't know, he must have watched it and he left it open before he got married and all. So I happened to use it for some
I guess
work, that was the page
that was when you were in 11th and you would be in 13th or
yeah, something when we were very young, and that
Yeah.
was like a shock to me. And since then, I've not been able to forget that name, Tubate. It was written in bold red or something.
I don't
Oh
know.
God!
I don't prefer that one.
But yeah. Shut up.
But actually,
No judgments, but I don't like watching.
and the XN, XS or whatever she told, that was because of
Because
me.
of him, yeah. Even Pornhub.
Pornhub, that
Then
you
it
would
was
have
maybe
saw
because of my
somewhere.
friend, yeah.
Yeah, that
But
would you
Triple
would have-
X, no, he told me to search
Yeah.
once and he made fun of me.
Chalta
Okay,
hai.
that story is for another time. Okay,
Yeah.
my question. Question number 8. Okay, see Babu,
Yeah.
you have to get this, okay?
Okay, surely.
It's
Hopefully.
for me.
Okay.
Name 3 makeup products.
Lakme. Oh, products.
Products!
No, please, again.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I mixed up with brands.
Okay. Name 3 makeup products, fast.
Contour, a highlighter, and eyeshadow.
Wow, good. You're a makeup artist's husband.
Yeah.
You should get it. And he's come with me to buy it so many times.
Yeah, we have been
Should have
together.
better got this.
Arey, I
And he
mixed
knows,
up. I literally,
mascara and all
yeah,
also.
I literally mixed up with this.
And contour is not actually a product.
It is a type of makeup.
Yeah,
It is a.
it's for contouring, but it's okay. Contour powder, it's okay. I give it.
Chalta hai.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your
This is a
timer.
this is a very easy one for both of us.
Okay.
Name 3 places we have visited together in the last 1 year. Start.
Dubai,
Okay.
Shirdi, Balsana.
Okay, not a problem.
Yes. So as soon as we got
Actually,
married.
you should have said Singapore, Malaysia, Penang, so many places.
Yeah, but the things that came to my mind because as soon as we got married
We went
in
all-
July last year, we went to Shirdi, we went to Balsana, and then we came to Dubai. So I said in a chronology. So
Second,
ninth
see
question.
that,
Name 3 water parks anywhere in the world.
Tikujini Wadi, SL World, and Atlantis Water
It
Park.
was not a water park. SL
What?
World.
SL World is a water park.
No, it has water rides, but it is not known as a water park.
Then what is it known as?
It's known as a theme park. It's
No.
not an actual water park. It
Arey,
has 2-3
Chene.
water rides.
No, Arey, you don't know what? SL World has a different department of water park.
But that is called aqua something else.
That is Imagica, Aqua Imagica.
Acha, okay. So what did you say? Tikujini Wadi?
Tikujini
SL World?
Wadi and Atlantis Water Park. I don't know the name. Adventure
Aqua
Cove?
Venture. Adventure Cove.
I don't know the name. I guess Adventure Cove was not in Singapore.
That was Aqua Venture.
I don't know. So this is counted as
Adventure
a...
Cove was in Singapore, I think, and here this was Aqua Venture.
I don't
Something,
know.
oh god, we should
Mix up.
really
So is
take
it
chillu bar
counted?
pani and doob maro in
We
it.
should actually...
Oh, you don't remember?
No problem.
Okay,
Still
never
I get a
mind.
point.
Yeah, your turn.
This is a difficult, so maybe 10 seconds she can get. No?
It's
You
okay.
do it in
Don't
five?
want to change the rules even if I
Okay,
don't
if
get
you
it.
guess this one in 5 seconds, I'll give you 2 points. This is actually a little bit tricky.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Keep your hand on
3 body parts
Hmm.
that are ending with the letter K.
K.
K. You can say it.
What? I don't know only but.
Time's up.
3 body parts that are ending in K. Cheeks. Oh shit. Cheek.
And neck.
Actually, this you scared me thinking that it's gonna be so tough, and so I ended up
But
not
there
getting
were
it.
more. There were more rewards to it, baby. There were 2.
But you shouldn't have said that this is tough and this is this. Because of that, I got so intimidated. I couldn't answer it.
You were like,
Then
is
what in the
happening
world
now?
could it be? Last question. It's easy. Name any 3 pizza toppings.
capsicum, tomatoes, olives.
Yeah. Got it.
This
See,
is
I'm
your...
so good, yaar. I gave him all easy stuff.
What is the point in playing the game?
But some people don't get that also. Seriously. When it's the type, they can't recollect it. Like me, neck, cheek, all that was so easy.
Actually, I thought maybe at least she would guess.
No, I couldn't.
Other than
I'm
other
not
part.
corrupt-minded like you.
I can see.
What you can see. Guys, that was it for the game. I hope you guys enjoyed.
We enjoyed
Watching us
it
play
a lot.
it, yeah.
Few questions were really, from my side, I think were really difficult
yeah.
and good.
Tricky.
From her side, maybe she gave away 2-3 for the last game that
Yeah.
she won by
But
mistake.
who won? You won.
No, I didn't count the points.
Yeah.
so
See,
you
what
won.
is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1,
6,
2,
7, 8.
3,
Oh
4,
my
5,
god.
6, 7,
So Mado
8.
is the clear winner over here.
Oh,
Ding, ding,
thank
ding, ding,
shakes.
ding, ding, ding,
Arey. Thank you.
Okay, so that was it for the video, guys. We hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did,
Please like the video, share the video, please subscribe the red button. Please do it alone, please do it with somebody. I don't care, but do it.
just click on that subscribe button and join the crazy fam
Yeah.
for some amazing and fun videos ahead. And we shall see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye guys, love you all.
See you soon.